Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today will be another working man's shave, as it's likely to be called. The Parker 22R. A cool gunmetal finish, butterfly type razor. Very simplistic, blade loading. I have a feather blade in here. All you do is drop it right over the slot, like so. Tighten it down. You're ready to rock and roll with your shave. It's got a sweet looking finish to it. Gunmetal. It's kind of a dark gray. And as I said, it's butterfly style. You can see that the reveal is even on both sides of the blade, but then there's some overhang here. You can see the blade protrudes on both outer edges. So I'm not crazy about that, but hey, it's a reasonably priced razor, and it's a mild shaving razor. If you shave every day, this should be a really good razor for you. Today's shaving cream is the Fine 21st Century Clubhouse, which is kind of a Clubman knockoff. I said it. I'm not sure if you're supposed to say it, but I said it. And then I'll lather up in my Shave Nation bowl right here. Put a little bit in the lather spot down at the bottom. The brush is the Simpsons T1. There's a T1, T2, T3. This is the smallest of the three. So let's see if we can mix up a lather. Pop the cap on this Clubhouse. I'll scoop a little bit out with my little mini spoon here. I'm going to drop it right into the bowl. About an almond size like that. Pop it right down into the... Let's warm up the bowl real quick. It's stone, so it will retain some heat. Bowl is good and warm. Just drop the shaving cream, or shaving soap, I should say, right down at the bottom, like that. Take the brush. Synthetic, you don't need to soak it. You can just run it under the hot water. Just give it a little bit of a shake. And we'll go right in here and we'll commence to lathering. Just press that cream and the brush and the tips down at the lather spot into the bottom there. And it starts off a little bit sudsy, but just after a few seconds, smells very nice. You can see that the lather is coming up around the edges. We're generating a really nice lather. Less than 30 seconds, no problem whatsoever. Bowl is filled up. Look at that. And the more you go, the thicker and creamier it will get. It starts off a little bit sudsy, but now we're getting into the thickness of it. Plenty of thick lather. Look at that. Very nice. And there's still a little chunk of shaving soap down there at the bottom. Just keep swirling that around. Enough soap for several passes. Look at that. And I even used too much. There's still a little chunk down there at the bottom. Plenty of lather. Let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm. Dry off the fingers. Pick up the brush. As I said, tons of lather here. Look at that. Ice cream style lather. We'll start on the right side. I have a 1-day beard growth, so as I said, should be great for this razor as it's a mild shaving razor. And I also do have a full review of this razor from a while ago. I can put a link up there, you can check it out. Very thick. Smell is fantastic. Just work that in. Little figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down and clear the runways so we can see those sideburns. Parker 22R with the feather blade loaded. Let's rock and roll with our shave. Temper it under the hot water. Just start on the right side, find your angle. Yep, not super aggressive, but nice and smooth shaving. When it gets filled, flip it over. Right down the neckline. Rinse that. Both sides are filled. Left side. Clean out that cleft. Little bullfrog. Excellent. Mustache area. Very mild. You could whip it around. Not as mild as a Henson, but it's pretty mild. Okay, a quick rinse. First pass is complete. Let's relather. Grab our brush and our bowl. I have uber lather here. Way too much lather for 2 or 3 passes. If anyone's close by, come and borrow some of this shaving cream. I'll have a lot left over. There are the runways again. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now I'll go across the grain. Backhand. And this feather blade is brand new, so it's good and sharp. Feathers are about the sharpest blade out there. Sometimes I'll use one that's got 3 or 4 shaves on it, but this one's brand new. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Very good. Rinse that. Now across the mustache. Even with the protrusion, no problem shaving under the nose. Just be careful with it. I'm able to get pretty close right under the nose. All right, 2 passes complete. Very good. Let's rinse that. Just a slight rinse. And we'll hit the cheeks. We'll get them baby smooth. Just put the rounded portion on the skin. Tilt the handle slightly up. Nothing happens here, but up a little higher, you can feel it grab. Just skim. That gets you baby smooth right there. Other side. Stretching the skin a little bit with my thumb. All right, beautiful. Finish with a cold water rinse. Let's take our Shave Nation alum block. While the skin is still wet, just glide it all over the areas you shaved. This will give you some feedback on your shave. Tell you if you went a little bit too close. Seal off any small nicks or micro weepers you may have gotten. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply some aftershave lotion. Proraso, Aloe and Vitamin E. Winter's just about here, so the skin's going to be dry. You want to keep it moist. Just a few drops of this. It's a nice heavy balm. Will keep your skin protected, moisturized throughout the day. Massage that directly into the skin. Neck and forehead if you can. If you break out, refrain from doing the forehead. If not, you're good to go. All right, excellent shave provided. I'm nice and baby smooth. Ready to conquer the world. The Parker Gunmetal 22R, that's the only finish it comes in. It doesn't come in silver or gold or anything, just that gunmetal finish. As I said, butterfly, very easy to load and unload the blade. You just spin the handle at the bottom and she opens right up and closes right back down. Mild shaving, great for every day. Every other day beard growth, perfect for you. If you want to pick up any of these items, the razor, blade, soap, bowl, brush, any of that, just click right down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.